Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, tech enthusiasts and agricultural pioneers. Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, your trusted source for exploring how cutting-edge technologies are transforming the world around us. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic, the future of soil preparation machines. Soil preparation is the backbone of successful farming, and advancements in technology are revolutionizing this essential practice. From AI-driven tools to sustainable solutions, these innovations promise to reshape agriculture as we know it. Stay tuned as we take you on a journey from fields to innovation. Let's dive in. Why soil preparation is the foundation of farming. Soil preparation is the first step in cultivating healthy crops. Properly prepared soil ensures better aeration, water retention, nutrient distribution, and root development. However, traditional methods can be labor-intensive, time-consuming, and environmentally taxing. Challenges in traditional soil preparation. Time and labor. Manual or basic mechanical methods require significant effort and time. Inconsistency. Uneven soil preparation can impact seed germination and plant growth. Environmental impact. Conventional practices often lead to soil erosion, compaction, and loss of fertility. The role of modern soil preparation machines. Modern soil preparation machines address these challenges with advanced features, enabling efficiency, precision, and sustainability. These machines combine GPS, IoT, high-end robotics to transform traditional soil preparation into a high-tech process. Key innovations in soil preparation technology. 1. AI-powered decision-making. 2. Autonomous operations. 3. Precision control with GPS. 4. Real-time data integration via IoT. 5. Sustainable practices and energy efficiency. Top advanced soil preparation machines of today. 1. John Deere's Smart Tillage Systems. Overview. John Deere combines precision and power in its smart tillage systems, equipped with GPS and AI. Features: GPS-guided tillage, real-time soil monitoring, cloud connectivity for data analysis. Impact: enhances efficiency in large-scale farming, reduces soil compaction, improves long-term soil health. 2. Fence Rotana Soil Preparation Unit. Overview. Fence Rotana offers a multifunctional solution for soil preparation, blending traditional strength with modern technology. Features: adjustable depth and angle, IoT enabled for real-time updates, modular attachments for versatility. Impact: increases operational flexibility, promotes uniform soil conditioning, saves fuel and time. 3. Case iHitch's Advanced Ecolotiger. Overview. Designed for deep tillage, the Ecolotiger excels in managing compacted soils. Features: deep tilling capabilities, residue management tools, high durability for tough conditions. Impact: restores soil structure, enhances water infiltration, boosts crop yields. 4. Lemken's Heliodor 9 Compact Disc Harrow. Overview. Lemken's Heliodor is perfect for shallow tillage and seedbed preparation. Features: high-speed operation, adjustable working depth, compatibility with small and large farms. Impact: provides optimal seedbed conditions, reduces soil erosion, increases productivity. 5. Kubota's Smart Cultivators. Overview. Kubota's cultivators are built for precision and efficiency, tailored for small to medium-sized farms. Features: compact design with high maneuverability, GPS-enabled navigation, energy-efficient operation. Impact: simplifies small-scale operations, promotes eco-friendly practices, ensures consistent soil preparation. How technology is shaping the future of soil preparation. 1. AI and machine learning. AI will enable machines to analyze soil conditions in real time and adapt their operations dynamically. This ensures precise preparation tailored to each field's unique needs. 2. Autonomous farming systems. Fully autonomous soil preparation machines will integrate with other farming systems, creating a seamless workflow from plowing to harvesting. 3. Sustainable energy integration. Machines powered by solar or renewable energy sources will reduce reliance on fossil fuels, making farming more sustainable. 4. IoT connectivity and big data analytics. IoT-enabled devices will collect and analyze data across multiple seasons, helping farmers make informed decisions for better soil management. 5. Multifunctional machines. Future soil preparation machines will combine multiple tasks like tilling, seeding, and fertilizing into a single operation, further enhancing efficiency. Benefits of modern soil preparation machines. 1. Improved efficiency. Machines complete tasks faster and more accurately, saving time and labor costs. 2. Better soil health. Precision tools prevent over-tilling and soil compaction, preserving its structure and fertility. 3. Environmental sustainability. Reduced fuel consumption and eco-friendly designs minimize the ecological footprint of farming. 4. Enhanced productivity. By optimizing soil preparation, these machines boost crop yields and profitability. 5. Data-driven decision-making. Real-time insights help farmers address issues proactively and plan effectively. Challenges in adopting advanced soil preparation machines. 1. High initial investment. The upfront costs for advanced machines can be significant, especially for small-scale farmers. 2. Training and expertise. Farmers need to learn how to operate and maintain these sophisticated systems effectively. 3. Connectivity issues. IoT-enabled machines require reliable internet connectivity, which may not be available in all rural areas. 4. Maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure optimal performance and longevity of machines. The future of soil preparation. What's next? 1. Blockchain integration. Blockchain will enhance transparency and traceability in soil preparation, ensuring sustainable practices. 2. AI-driven predictive analytics. Advanced analytics will predict soil health trends, enabling proactive interventions. 3. Renewable energy-powered machines. The integration of solar and wind energy will make farming more cost-effective and sustainable. 4. Customizable machines. Future designs will offer modular components, allowing farmers to customize machines for specific needs. 5. Full automation. From soil preparation to harvesting, fully automated farming systems will revolutionize agriculture. From traditional plows to AI-powered systems, soil preparation machines have come a long way. Modern technology is driving innovation, enabling efficiency, sustainability, and higher productivity in farming. As these machines continue to evolve, they promise a future where agriculture is smarter, greener, and more resilient. If you're as inspired as we are by these advancements, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.